Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello to Board Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to uninstall Avro Keyboard in Windows 11. So for this case you have to go to the settings, click here, then go to the apps, then installs app. So here the where Avro Keyboard 5.6.0. So from here we can uninstall. So here we'll click, then it will uninstall easily. See, yes, it has been installed. Now we will check is this present or not. See, the apps has been uninstalled. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.